Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review Nokia 2100 Minima, and the offer link of smartphones are given in description. We will discuss the exact release date of the Nokia 2100 Minima 5G smartphone. We know that there is no official release date for this upcoming Nokia device. The expected release date for the Nokia 6.3 Pro 5G is June 2022. Or the phone may be delayed a few days due to feature updates or company issues. The Nokia 2100 Minima 5G comes with a 6.5-inch HD screen, which is a key feature of this phone. It's the only keypad phone in the world that has an HD screen. On the other hand, this Nokia mobile has HD quality content. You can take a selfie from its 64-megapixel front camera. You can do a face call with the front camera of this Nokia 2100 Minima. Also, there are regular camera features like GIS optics, LED flash, panorama, HDR. The Nokia 2100 Minima 2022 flagship uses a huge 4000 mAh polymer-type non-removable battery for its long service life. This huge battery includes a quick battery charging feature. As a result, once this phone is charged, you don't need to charge for at least a long time. Nowadays, mobile subscribers are looking for big RAM and huge storage. So Nokia's upcoming Nokia 2100 Minima 5G device comes with 4GB RAM and two variants, 16GB, 32GB. The new Nokia 2100 Minima 5G handset support is dual SIM, and both SIMs are supporting GSM 3G HSPA plus LTE 4G technology. Other connectivity option includes 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPRS. So this is the brief review of Nokia 2100 Minima. If you are a smartphone lover, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in next video. Thanks.